Signing up for Heroku is very easy. All right, first, let's go to the Sign Up section. Then, we fill out the form with our personal information and the basic details of our business or project. Next, we verify our email address. We'll receive a link. Just copy and paste it to confirm your account. Now, we move on to the second form. We enter our phone number and any other required details. At this point, we select Python as our programming language, along with any other information the system asks for. Important, your password must be at least 15 characters long. Once everything is ready, click Finish Registration. Perfect. Our Heroku account is now created. The next step is to log in. We enter our email address, our password, and log in without any problem. Here comes a very important part: two-step verification with Google Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can do it from your browser using an extension or directly from your mobile phone. On the next screen, choose the second option, the one that uses Google Authenticator. A QR code will appear. We'll need to scan it. You can pause the video at this point to download the app if you haven't already. Then give the account a name, enter the code, and complete the setup. And remember, don't lose that QR code, because if you do, you won't be able to access your account again. Once inside, read the terms and conditions and accept them. If you live in Italy, mark yes, otherwise choose no and continue. All right, now we're on the next page. Here we can clearly see there are three main steps. And something important, we won't be able to create an application until we add a payment method. So let's follow the order. We add a credit or prepaid debit card. The process is quick and simple. We enter the card number, verify it, and that's it. When we go back to the main page, we'll see that now only two steps remain. In this case, we can skip the third one. We'll go straight to creating our application. We type the name we want to give it, select the server closest to us, in this case the United States, and click Create App. Perfect. We're all set. We've now prepared the hosting for our software. So next we go to the Access section and add Plexotrade LLC as a collaborator, so we can receive automatic updates. We enter the email deploy at plexotrade.com, verify it, and that's it. Automatic updates are now enabled. If we prefer to do it manually, we can also click Deploy Branch. That way, we have two update options: automatic or manual. And with that, we've completed the entire setup process in Heroku.